In this video, you'll learn how to build a full SaaS on Bubble in just a few steps, without writing a single line of code using the power of no-code development. First, go to bubble.io and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click New App, give it a name, and choose a template or start from scratch to design your SaaS exactly how you want it. Next, use Bubble's visual editor to design your interface. Drag and drop elements like buttons, forms, and menus onto the canvas. Then customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. Everything updates in real time. Now, set up your database inside Bubble. Create data types for users, subscriptions, and any content your SaaS needs. Bubble handles all the back-end logic for you, so you can focus on building features instead of managing servers. After that, add user authentication and subscription payments. Use Bubble's built-in sign-up system and connect Stripe with the official plugin to start accepting recurring payments from your customers in just a few clicks. Once your SaaS is ready, click Deploy to Live in the top right corner. Bubble instantly publishes your app with a live URL, and you can connect a custom domain from the settings menu. And that's it. Your SaaS is now live on Bubble, fully functional, scalable, and ready to start generating revenue.